Digital marketing is all about promoting your products or services through the internet and various digital platforms. Think of it as a bridge connecting your business to potential customers where they spend most of their time online. This encompasses social media, websites, search engines like Google, emails, and even video platforms like YouTube. It's about meeting your audience where they are and engaging them effectively. Now, why is digital marketing so crucial? First off, it allows you to reach a global audience. Unlike traditional marketing, which is often limited by geography, digital marketing opens up the world. You can promote your business anywhere, anytime, and to anyone. Next, consider the cost effectiveness. You don't need a massive budget to make an impact. With digital marketing, even a small investment can reach thousands of people. This is especially beneficial for small businesses or startups looking to make a mark without breaking the bank. Targeting is another significant advantage. Digital marketing lets you hone in on specific demographics based on age, location, interests, and behaviors. This means your message is more likely to resonate with the right people, increasing the chances of conversion. Data and analytics are game changers in this space. You can track your performance in real time, see what strategies are working, and make informed decisions to improve your campaigns. This level of insight is invaluable and helps you adapt quickly to changing trends. Building brand trust and visibility is another key benefit. Being active online enhances your credibility. When customers see you consistently engaging with them, they're more likely to trust your brand and choose your products or services over competitors. Lastly, digital marketing works around the clock. Your ads and content can be running even while you sleep, ensuring that your business is always in front of potential customers. This 24/7 presence can significantly boost your chances of making sales and growing your brand. In summary, digital marketing is essential for any business today. It's not just an option, it's a necessity. Embracing it opens doors to incredible opportunities for growth and success.